Hello everyone. After my first video for science students, I am here to help students who are ambitious to make their career in commerce field. Commerce is a popular stream among 10 plus 2 students in India. Having studied commerce in class 11th 12th allows candidates to choose from a magnitude of courses at graduation level. One of the major benefits that commerce students have over art students is that they are eligible for both commerce and arts courses. Selection of courses after 12th for commerce students, be it academic or vocational, at the time of college admissions is crucial. It must be an informed decision taken after having complete understanding of the course one is opting for. Another point to note is that for the commerce students, while accountancy, business studies and economics are core subjects, mathematics is optional. Thus, commerce stream can be categorized into two groups, commerce with math and without math. However, courses after 12th for both these categories are almost same, barring a few courses in which maths is mandatory at class 12th level. Students opting for commerce without maths may just have to put in extra effort in choosing subjects in their UG courses. Now, the first question that comes to every student's mind, which course to select after class 12th commerce? So, here is a list of so many or a number of courses that are available for commerce students after 12th. So first of all, I will explain Bachelor of Commerce, also known as BCom. BCom Honors is an undergraduate degree that can be pursued by students who have cleared 10 plus 2 in science, arts or commerce stream. However, preference is given to the students who have studied commerce in 10 plus 2 level. The duration of course spans over a period of 3 years in Indian colleges and universities. Job profile after BCom can be accountant, accountant executive, financial analyst, finance executive, bank manager. Next available option for commerce students is Bachelor of Mass Media, BMM. Is an undergraduate level mass communication program of 3 years durations. Students aspiring to build their career in mass communication and media industry can take up this course after they complete their class 12th. Next course for students of commerce are BA LLB, Bachelor of Business Administration and Bachelor of Legislative Law Honors, popularly known as BBA LLB, is an undergraduate administrative law professional integrated course. Students opting for BBA LLB get to study the combination of business administration and law. Job profile after LLB can be business consultant, lawyer, government jobs, etc. and many other roles are available for them. Next option for commerce students is BBA BMS, Bachelor of Business Administration, Bachelor of Management Studies, is a precursor to Master in Business Management, MBA. BBA BMS is the bachelor's degree undertaken to pursue a career in business management. Next option that is available for commerce students is BCA, that is Bachelor of Computer Application or can be IT and Software. BCA is an undergraduate course generally undertaken by students who wish to explore the world of computer languages. A BCA degree is at par with the BTech BE degree in computer science or information technology. A candidate who has cleared 10 plus 2 from any discipline with maths, in some cases English too might be a requirement, and you can be a computer programmer, database administrator, or you can say DBA, IT support executive, information system manager, software developer, web designer, business analyst, and other roles are there too. Next is Chartered Accountancy, CA. Chartered Accountancy or CA is a course commerce students can pursue to become chartered accountants. To pursue CA in India, the candidate needs to register with the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, that is ICAI. Job profile can be private practice, advisor, financial advisor. Next career option available with commerce students is Company Secretary, CS. CS is a course commerce students can pursue after class 12th to become CS, Company Secretary. To pursue the course and learn the CS degree, the candidate has to register with the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, that is ICSI. You can be an advisor, compliance officer, corporate planner. Next career option is B Design in Animation. Bachelor of Design or BDES in Animation is a bachelor's degree undertaken to become an animator. B Design is an undergraduate degree. Students from arts or even science and commerce stream are eligible to pursue a B Design degree. Next career option is BA LLB. Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Laws is an integrated law course offered at undergraduate level. Aspirants need to clear class 12th in any discipline with the minimum required percentage in order to be eligible for the course. The duration of BA LLB program in Indian universities and colleges is typically 5 years. Next option is BSc in Hospitality and Travel. Bachelors of Science in Hospitality and Travel, popularly known as BSc in Hospitality and Travel, is an undergraduate course in hospitality. Housekeeping, management and maintenance are main roles. HR and payroll, customer service, general office administration, marketing, relationship management, hotel and restaurant management, hospital administration and catering are the main job profiles after doing this course. Next career option after this is Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication, or in short you can say it's BJMC. Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication is a 3-year long undergraduate degree program. In order to be eligible for the course, aspirants need to clear class 12th in any discipline. The course is suitable for students who wish to pursue their career in the media industry. Job profiles after doing this course can be broadcast journalist, second editorial assistant, next magazine features editor. Jobs where your degree would be useful include advertising copywriter, digital copywriter, market researcher, multimedia specialist, public relation officer, and many other roles are there too, like science writer, translator, etc. So next career option after doing this course is Bachelor of Mass Media. You can say it's a BMM. Bachelor of Mass Media is an undergraduate level mass communication program of 3 years duration. Students aspiring to build their career in mass communication and media industry can take up this course after they complete their class 12th. The various job profiles after doing this course are: you can be a sound engineer, film director, public relations officer, sound mixer, and sound recorder. and many other roles are there too, like social correspondent, TV correspondent, etc. I think this information is sufficient and useful for you to select commerce as a next career option. So thank you and very good luck to all of you. Thank you so much.